Babe, are you okay?
I'm okay.
Wait, what's wrong? Eh?
My eye, they told me, I bring chair for me. Bring chair.
Okay, sorry. Babe, are you sure you'll not leave this food? Eh?
Don't worry, I just want to sit.
God. Babe, you can leave it now.
Don't worry, I'm almost done.
Try. Baby, drink the water now. Doctor said make you drink water plenty.
I could drink water, kill myself.
Why you know they like to drink water, baby?
You know, just my belly full. Where I won't put the water.
I finish that one. I want to give you boiled egg and fruits, make you for chocolate.
You're too deep. You're on too much.
Baby, you not gonna eat fruits. Doctor say you should eat fruits every day.
But doctor don't say make I dey chop am every time. Once in a while. I just chop finish. Why you do like this, baby? Why you do like this? I beg, no worry. I would help myself. No worry. Come carry this your chair. Maybe not the chair you give myself. Where's the pot again?
It's under that cupboard.
Babe.
Okay, I'll get it for you.
I beg. No worry.
I'll get it for you now.
Don't worry. Thank you.
Okay.
Babe.
Yes, babe.
But I've been calling you since now, baby.
I didn't know. Yeah, let me put it now.
Don't worry. I'll put it myself. Don't worry. Don't worry.
Let me.
Since that I've been calling you.
See, why did you call me since? Hey. How did you call me? You only called me twice. I was just distracted.
Do we have Coke, baby?
Coke for what? Baby,
You don't come. Which one? Baby, now.
You're not supposed to be drinking
But
Coke.
doctor said I can have it one.
You're not supposed to drink Coke, my love.
Baby, okay, I'll take small. Please,
No, take that coconut water. Take that coconut water.
Coconut water every time. It's not sweet.
Babe, doctor say you should not drink Coke.
Baby, now. Don't be your baby. Don't wait till your baby wants.
Which one be what my baby wants?
Ice is good. You know I like ice.
But why do you need to take ice now?
Baby, you are stressing me now. You are stressing me.
Sorry. Baby, why are you eating ice now?
What do your baby wants?
Which one be say waiting my baby? Everything, God just they put on for.
She don't make cake.
Is that ice that you're taking that's making your leg to pain you?